Do you think you're bad at English? Well, you're wrong. It's not your brain, it's your method. If you watch this video till the end, I promise, you'll speak English better than 90% of people around you. Have you ever felt nervous while speaking English? Your heart beats fast. You know the words, but your tongue just freezes. It's not just you. This happens to millions. But here's the truth. Fluency is not about grammar. It's about speaking the right sentences again and again till they become your second nature. Now I'll teach you 5 powerful sentences. Say them out loud with me. Number 1. Can you please repeat that? Useful when you don't understand something. Number 2. I'm still learning English, but I'll try. Shows confidence and honesty. Number 3. What do you mean by that? Helps you learn new words instantly. Number 4. That's interesting. Tell me more. Keeps conversations flowing. Number 5. Let me think for a moment. Gives you time to respond without panic. Repeat them now with me, out loud. Your brain learns through repetition plus emotion. When you say these sentences daily, in real conversations or alone in the mirror, your brain starts to build English wiring. It's like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, it feels impossible. Then one day you just glide. Now here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, repeat these 5 sentences daily. Morning, evening, before sleep. Speak them. Feel them. Own them. Set a timer. Record yourself. Watch your confidence explode. Do this, and you'll thank yourself in 30 days. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start speaking. And now you know how. If you found this helpful, hit like. But more importantly, speak these sentences today. Your future self